Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to look at the best way to back up your Android phone in 2025. Whether you're getting a new phone, doing a factory reset, or just being safe, creating a backup is super important. Let's start with the most reliable method, Google Drive. Open your settings, then go to Accounts and Backup, and tap on Backup Data. Here, you'll be able to back up your photos, videos, contacts, call history, and device settings. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, then hit Backup Now and allow all necessary permissions. Your data will be securely saved in the cloud and you can restore it anytime. If you're using a Samsung device, you also have the option to back up your data using Samsung Cloud, a great alternative to Google Drive for Samsung users. And don't forget about Google Photos. It's one of the easiest ways to automatically back up all your pictures and videos in high quality. Just open the app, go into Settings, and make sure Backup and Sync is turned on. So that's how you can easily back up your Android phone in 2025 using cloud-based options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.